In the great land of the beloved, above the immortal Nile River, and in the green Helwan, the ideas of the youth rise in Egypt. It thrives by the research of minds, the giving of hearts, the arms of strength and loyal hands, to aid Helwan Metallurgical Equipment Company in becoming a distinguished, pioneering and confident production. Always looking forward to the best, the most beautiful and the most perfect. From cooking ovens and water heaters to refrigerators and washing machines, it's a relentless pursuit of excellence which the company has developed in infrastructure, which is represented in water, electricity, steam, and compressed air networks. In view of the tremendous industrial development at the global level since the beginning of the third millennium, the company had to take the reasons for development. In all of its production lines, it introduced equipment that operates in computers, automation, high accuracy, and superior quality, which increased production rates to reach the best international levels. And the stages of production of heaters begin with lines. Automatic cutting and cutting of tin, up to the stages of purification of tin components. To achieve this development in the heater's production plant, high-tech equipment has been introduced to produce pipes of different types for the heater. Inserting the forming line for the serpentine body of oxygen-free copper. Developing and modernizing serpentine welding equipment to introduce a natural gas welding furnace in which welding operations take place in an atmosphere of inert gas in accordance with the requirements of a clean, healthy environment and energy saving. Introducing a group of molds to develop the iron sheet components for the heater in order to achieve the desires of consumers and serious competition and innovate everything new that satisfies all tastes. The introduction of a computer-based machine to produce the control did not achieve distinct production and economic rates. The introduction of a computer-based machine to produce the body and cover of a water pump with distinct production rates and economic rates. After-sales service is what distinguishes Helwan Metal Equipment Company to serve its customers for the maintenance and repair of all its products. And the factory heater has achieved its fame 50 years ago because it is manufactured under license from the German company Unikurs in accordance with European standards and Egyptian standards. It works with low water pressure and economical gas consumption and is equipped with self-ignition and has safety measures that include complete shutdown when the water is weak or the auxiliary flame goes out or the chimney is blocked or the water boils inside the serpentine that does not rust because it is made of copper free of oxygen, which makes the heater work with high efficiency without stopping. The factory heater has proven its efficiency in working, whether using pipeline gas or natural gas. Helwan Metal Appliances Company is the first to manufacture butane gas appliances in Egypt and the Middle East since 1958. The company has achieved a breakthrough in the field of butane manufacturing with the largest Italian companies. The cooker with 4 burners and 5 burners, coated stainless steel, was designed to meet all the needs and desires of consumers and correspond to the different designs of kitchens and beauty designs that satisfy all tastes. It also operates at economical gas consumption rates. The cooker door is provided with double thermal glass to prevent the door from getting hot from the outside. The oven is made of acid-resistant materials. It is also easy to clean the stove in a way that does not cause any harm to the consumer as a result of streamlined designs and the absence of sharp corners, and to provide the maximum degree of safety. The gas is automatically cut off if the flame goes out for any external reason. The stove is equipped with grill accessories, the motor, self-ignition, 2 oven racks, an enameled tray, and the oven's internal shutdown timer. Also, it has the capability of igniting the grill and the oven simultaneously, the capability of self-ignition of the oven and the grill. To introduce new and advanced products of high quality and competitive price, the company has contributed with creative efforts since 1960 in the production of the company's household electric refrigerator. Therefore, the company adopted a comprehensive development process for most of the machines and equipment for production lines in the refrigeration and heat exchangers sector, in which no investments have been added since 1982. With determination and persistence, this sector was developed to introduce new and advanced products by exploiting the maximum available energies among the fields of scientific and technical industrial creativity in military production with a proud head and heart. The development processes were carried out in 2 stages to achieve a production that meets the desire of the consumer and is in line with the needs of the market everywhere. Precision in the industry, ingenuity of the manufacturer, and glimpses of beauty in all manufactures, with technical and human energies and capabilities. The first phase of developing the chillers and heat exchangers sector was to produce air conditioning devices with distinct and diverse models and different capacities, with a production capacity of up to 50,000 units annually of different sizes. The second stage is the establishment of a factory to produce no-frost refrigeration devices. A production capacity of 100,000 units of refrigeration annually, starting in the first stage, with a production capacity of up to 40,000 units of refrigeration annually, which is gradually increasing according to market requirements. The primary and final assembly line, and finally the packaging line for the best refrigerators currently competing in the local and international markets. The company is making great strides towards modernization and development, with an Egyptian heart and global features, with visions. It spreads its wings to cover all the valleys, the lands, the plains, and the fields, asking the Almighty God to guide us to what is good for our beloved Egypt.